Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me is actually on the first page right over here. So once you see yours, when you're doing this the first time around, you will want to hold this toggle, which will take you to the settings at that point. In here, customize Do Not Disturb mode to function the way you want it to. I'm gonna only touch upon a couple of the options, like the schedule mode, which allows you to select a fully automatic schedule, which gives you the option to choose what day of the week it will turn on during, and also start and end time. Now, if you're planning to use a schedule, just make sure that it is toggled on in here like so, and that's all you would need to do. And additionally, you can also create multiple different schedules, and they can all be running simultaneously. And the second option is the duration for quick settings. This just defines what happens when you manually enable your Do Not Disturb mode. By default, it is selected to run until you turn it off. I personally find the middle option for specific amount of hours to be the go-to option, at least for me. So when enabled, like it is for instance right now, I chosen 4 hours, as 1 hour is just a little bit too short. So once I confirm this, whenever I toggle the Do Not Disturb mode, like so, as you can see, it will run for exactly 4 hours, and it's also telling me till what time that will be. And after that time, it will automatically turn off. But if I remember about the Do Not Disturb mode, I can turn it off myself by tapping on a toggle once again to disable it. The reason I like this is because, well, I'm a smooth brain, so I'll just kind of forget about it. So this is a great option, because by default, like I mentioned before, Do Not Disturb mode will just run indefinitely in the background till you remember about it. So this is a fantastic option. And as you've seen me already do, you can toggle it on and off by just simply tapping on the toggle. So, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.